Hi everyone, I just wanted to do an impromptu video of a review of this 15-minute watercolor masterpieces book by Anna Koliadych. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing her name. To just give you a background, I do not have any experience in watercoloring prior to, doing some of these exercises. I still have minimum watercolor experience, and I very much enjoyed following the tutorial of this book, so that's why I just wanted to give you a quick flip through of the book and show you some of the pieces that I have done. So she goes into a little bit of detail, not too much, of some of the techniques and how much paint to mix with water and all of those. There are lots of videos out there, and I watched a couple of the YouTube videos as well, and I can link some of my favorite watercolor YouTubers. But I didn't really read up on these because I just wanted to go straight into the tutorials. And so the first section is the landscapes, and that is the first exercise that I did as well. So this was the first that I practiced. And let me just show you, I made this very simple sketchbook with just rings and watercolor paper that I cut up. So I did 6 exercises, some small and some large. Well, 3 for this one. And I did 3 for this piece, the autumn piece. And hopefully you can see they're not masterpieces, of course, and I'm using watercolor that is student grade paper, student grade brushes, everything, because I just wanted to play with the medium, and I like them. I think with practice they will for sure get better. So that was the first piece that I did, and I want to say the second practice that I did was with the cacti. I think the cacti, genre, which is very popular, it has been for a while. They're just so cute. It makes sense that they're so popular, and I won't show you where it is in the book because I can't find it now. But these are, again, not perfect, but they look like cacti, which is good. So that's another exercise that I did. And the last one in this paper size, and I think this is 6x9, is the sunflowers, and it may be one of my favorites. I think they are, I like that they're close together, different heights, and of course, so with each exercise, let me just find the sunflower if I can. So she gives you some variations of each. So she goes through the step-by-step of how to do one, but then she gives you variations of, say, if you want to do 3 together, or you want to add stems. So it's not just one kind of sunflower that you know how to paint. You can change it up a little bit and do something a little different. And I put sticky notes on everything that I want to do, and once I do one, I put in the middle. So as you can see, I have quite a lot that I still have to practice. So those are all the ones that I have on the 6x9 sizes, but I also like practicing on the 4.5x6, so half of these. And so this is a fish. It's definitely not one of my favorites. I think they're pretty juvenile, not because of the way that she taught it, but just because the way that I executed it. They could definitely use more detail. So this isn't one of the tutorials in the book. I followed the YouTube tutorial. So here's a tree. It's very simple, but it's a beginning, right? This isn't, well, it does say masterpiece. I feel like, I don't know, to me, it's a beginner book, and I don't expect to create masterpieces. I expect to learn and get a feel of how to even approach a subject like a tree. I wouldn't even know how to begin, but now I have an idea. So that's the tree. And this one I just did yesterday, or maybe 3 days ago actually. Pumpkins and I forgot what these are called. Gourds. So that one is cute. And I also did a wreath. This isn't my favorite perfume bottle. And this is very, very cute, I think. It's so yeah, so these are very simple, and I didn't really struggle a lot. I didn't have to figure out what I'm supposed to do. She goes into great detail. And I just wanted to give you a feel of what you might expect from, you know, someone who has had zero experience prior to this book. So I think those are it. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. Oh, one thing I do want to mention is I'm not sure if there is an option for the Kindle version of the book, but if looking back, if there were, I would have preferred to buy that, because what happens a lot is, you know, I would have my painting that I'm trying to do over here and the book over here, and I have to secure the book somehow so that it doesn't, you know, close on me, and it's very awkward. I don't have a, I guess, a book weight sort of thing, and having an iPad be on an iPad or even on your phone would have been much easier. So I would recommend you getting a Kindle version of the book if you have a way to read an ebook. But if not, the paper quality is very good. It's the kind of paper that feels like a magazine. So it seems to be waterproof, but I'm not sure. I don't plan to test it, but it's definitely a very good quality. So those are all my thoughts on the book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any requests of future videos, let me know. I have planned to do this. I'm not sure if I will, depending on how this video goes, because it's sort of a practice piece, but I want to do a swatch and not first impression. I don't want to use the word review because I am not well versed in watercolor, so I can't talk much about it. But I do want to show you how these paints look. They're very affordable on Amazon, and they are the same company as the Rubens, the Paul Rubens. So I am very much enjoying these, so if you are interested in this swatch video, let me know. But that's it. Thank you all, and have a good day.